Barrera House by Estes architect in San Antonio, United States. The Barrera House is a seemingly simple solution to a complex program on a small, downtown property. The 370 square m site is located within a historical district of San Antonio and a stone's throw from the Tower of the Americas, designed by the famous mid-century architect O'Neill Ford. The house is shaped by its context and by the client's desire to live sustainably and well within a small footprint, nestled within their tight-knit community. Outdoor spaces offer a connection to and refuge from the city. Locating the primary living spaces upstairs affords the clients greater privacy, quiet, and views. This frees the ground plane for concealed parking and 5,000 gallons of rainwater collection for the landscaped front yard, private patio, and lap pool. Porches on both levels relate to massing among adjacent homes. These alignments foster relationships among neighbors and help to reinforce the urban fabric. The home's cruciform Part 1 provides efficient circulation. A central staircase bridges the private and public halves of the home. As the most frequented space in the home, the stairwell frames views of the outdoors and orients visitors toward the living spaces above. The concrete and wood stair details express the transition from the grounded first floor to the aerial living spaces above. Vaulted ceilings over the kitchen, living and dining rooms frame a surprising view of the landmark tower downtown. Covered porches bookend the living spaces. Wood slats provide shade from the southwest sun and privacy from the street. The bedrooms and bathrooms are modest, peaceful environments for rest. Mirrors and a built-in bathroom planter invite the outside in and help the small room feel generous. Building systems and material selections support resource conservation and the client's desire for minimal maintenance. A remote 11 kilowatt solar array, prohibited on the home due to historical requirements, offsets 100% of the home's electricity needs and is maintained by the energy provider. Natural, timeless materials are chosen to age gracefully and make this modern home feel at home in its historic context. The siding is made of thermally treated ash by Thermery, and the walls are coated with a hydraulic lime-based plaster.